Baby, baby, you're mine.
Good day, I am Earl Jairo Buñag and I am here to discuss to you the question number 1. When compared to the traditional desktop customers, why are mobile phone users much more likely to book a room or an airline reservation for the same day? To travel is one of the business areas that is in peak. It gives technology advances and employs numerous benefits for the travelers and their travel agencies. The one of the most widely used tool in the travel and tourism industry is the customer reservation system, and because of this, it revolutionized the industry. According to Color Whistle 2022, the computer reservation system is a software that is web-based that is mainly used by the travel agencies and management companies to conduct different transactions that is connected to air travels, hotels, and other activities. This was originally designed to be in use for airline but soon was used by travel agencies for selling tickets. In the other hand, the mobile bookers are more valuable than the user of desktop because according to Samuli 2017, the bookers that are using mobile phones are rising than the user of desktop with a value of 47% more likely to book. The leisure of traveling experience the upward sales on the adult consumers and travel brands when they are looking for the potential customers. Just like the desktop user, the user of mobile phones is most likely to book their own flight and to book their room for the same day because it is easy. Because if you will look to the Orbitz application, this will find your location and it will show you the nearest hotels with their information like address, phone numbers, prices, the date available, and every information you need to know. In conclusion, the main reason why users of the mobile phone most likely to book a room or airlines in the same day is because the mobile phones bring convenience to the customer, because it is easy, it is fast, and it is secure.
According to DPO Group 2017, a number of significant airlines including Continental Airlines, Delta Airlines, Northwest Airlines, cancellations and delays contributed to its popularity as well. Beyond just booking flights, Orbitz.com has gradually added more services. Today, they provide holiday packages from a variety of suppliers along with booking services for hotels, rentals, and cruises. Orbitz.com is one-stop shop where customers can easily plan and book their travels thanks to these extensive offerings. The first company to release a smartphones found the entire booking procedure to be incredibly straightforward thanks to this award-winning app. Additionally, Orbitz is well known for its rewards program, Orbitz Rewards, which enables users to acquire Orbux and receive special offers and price breaks on hotel reservations. Expedia Incorporation purchased the travel website Orbitz in 2015. United Airlines and American Airlines launched Orbitz.com in June 2001. These airlines established a special web page where clients may reserve tickets in accordance with the preference. Orbit.com was an immediate success, armed with the fastest search engine in the world, designed at MIT.
Hi, my name is Francess Almocera and I'm here to briefly discuss its history, organizational structure, and operation. According to Will Canton, organizational structure is a system that describes how certain activities are directed to achieve the goals of an organization. These activities may include rules, roles, and responsibilities. Organizational structure also determines how information flows between levels in the business. For example, in a centralized structure, decisions are made from the top down, while in the decentralized structure, decision-making power is distributed among different levels of the organization. Having an organizational structure in place keeps the business efficient and focused. Organizational effectiveness depends on your ability to engage managers who understand your business goals, execute your strategic plan, and support the plan throughout the organization. Evaluate the progress of your particular business activities towards the desired results. According to Dennis Hartman, in business, operation refers to all activities that an organization regularly engages in to increase or maintain the value of the business. Activities include basic transactions such as purchasing materials and selling products, as well as marketing efforts and strategic planning. Orbitz Worldwide employs 1,530 employees. The Orbitz Worldwide management team includes Melissa, the Vice President, Sabrina Harigan, the Brand Marketing Manager, and Vanessa V. Anna, Relation Marketing Manager. Orbitz operates by booking specific flights and hotels. It also negotiates special offers or group rates, which is then passes on the customers. Thank you.
Good day, my name is Clare Delfinado, and the question is, in the mobile design project of 2011, why did Orbitz management decide to construct a mobile website for corporate users rather than a native application? In 2011, Orbitz was the first to introduce a mobile commerce platform intended for business users. Because the website was available on any web-enabled device, it avoided the difficulties of creating native apps for the large range of devices that its users owned. Users have the option to enter and edit their trips through the app, as well as select a preferred vendor, which made it easier to follow any company-specific travel regulation. The CEO of Orbitz Worldwide, Barney Warford, bragged about how easy it is to book a hotel stay with just 3 taps. There is no better industry to look at when it comes to mobile apps and evaluating their influence on customers and company than the online travel sector and the airline and the hotel and stuff like that. According to Lumpapun 2017, the majority of user interface designs for mobile devices are based on the desktop paradigm. Although the desktop designs do not perfectly suit the mobile environment. Although mobile devices are an increasingly important aspect of daily life, there are no real standards for mobile UI design patterns.
Why has Orbitz decided to go with native apps for each mobile platform instead of a single mobile website as it did with the Orbitz for Business mobile site? To answer that question, a mobile app is more accessible and easier to use than a mobile website. They did their research and they found that a mobile app for each mobile platform would be the easier way to connect with their customers. The company's decision to launch native apps for iOS, Android, and Kindle Fire instead of using a single mobile website was dictated by the desire to provide its customers with a super reservation experience. Users want and expect fast when they access websites and services through mobile devices. People can book an Orbitz hotel room with just 3 taps on their devices. They further enhance their iOS and Android apps to cut down the number of steps required to search for and make reservations so that the entire process can take place on the mobile device without redirecting the user to other sites to complete their transactions. Orbit discovered that securing flights and making lodging and car rental reservations through its mobile website are time-consuming tasks. Therefore, the company decided to eliminate its web app and provide its users with a seamless reservation experience through native apps for different devices. The decision was taken at a time when the popularity of native apps increased enormously due to the numerous advantages associated with them. Furthermore, the number of customers almost doubled with the introduction of mobile transactions. Therefore, Orbitz redesigned its native iPhone app and intended on developing native apps for other operating systems.
Good day, Damal greetings. I'm Mariel, Nicole, Arevalo, and I'm here to discuss the number 4 question. What issues does syncing recent user searches across devices pose? Simple and cost-free personal cloud services like Google Drive, Dropbox, and Apple's iCloud make it simple and hassle-free to share and sync files between devices. Users are quickly embracing these services because of their accessibility. However, despite merely being able to transfer and exchange files, worker productivity and engagement demand content editing and modification capabilities. Viewing and annotating work files are essential. Before a client meeting, users may see, update, and share last-minute adjustments to a presentation while on the move. Thanks to the file syncing, edits done on a smartphone in the taxi may still be shown on the overhead projector through the conference room PC. The growing number of devices per person is a challenge for data synchronization and alignment, and many devices have limited on-device storage and offer fragmented support for the file system access. These drawbacks can reduce individual productivity. In accordance with usuper.edu, one of the main concerns raised by Orbit's capability to sync recent user searches across devices is privacy. Orbitz has also made efforts to accommodate consumers' frequent moving between mobile and desktop devices as they make vacation plans. Orbitz is implementing dynamic content across all platforms and has begun synchronizing user searches across all platforms so that users may continue where they left off, regardless of how long they were browsing or whatever device they were using. For instance, if you conduct a search on your iPad while at home, you will be able to see the results of that search when you visit the Orbitz desktop website the following day. The most recent data will be changed and updated on both devices when users sync a device with a PC. Additionally, applications that sync data can delete entries that have been removed on either device. In other words, synchronization enables users to effortlessly share travel-related information with others by enabling the very same information on several devices. Typically, to use this software, you must connect the device to your computer or laptop using Bluetooth, a USB cord, and an email. That's all. Thank you.
Baby, baby, you're mine.